DJI Action 2 is constructed of an aluminum alloy that is prone to fast heat conduction and dissipation. Given that Action 2 supports 4K/120 FPS video, it's normal for the camera unit to get hot when recording. DJI Action 2 has a built-in temperature control system. Action 2 will automatically stop recording when the camera temperature reaches the set value. There are two set values for the auto stop rec temp: standard, 48 degrees Celsius, and high, 53 degrees Celsius. You can adjust the settings according to your usage habits and preferences. Asterisk when using the camera unit separately, the auto stop rec temp refers to the frame temperature. When connected with the front touchscreen module or power module, the auto stop rec temp refers to the connected module's frame temperature. There may be a difference of 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. 1. Only possible when connected with the front touchscreen module. 2. Only the Action 2 camera unit is waterproof. The front touchscreen module and power module are not waterproof. It is recommended to use the DJI Action 2 waterproof case if you intend on using DJI Action 2 underwater for long periods, such as when diving, or under high water pressure conditions, such as when cliff diving. The DJI Action 2 camera unit and its waterproof case have an IP68 waterproof rating. Do not use the camera in hot springs or expose it to corrosive liquids. 3. DJI Action 2 supports up to 4x digital zoom. Actual results vary depending on the shooting mode. Digital zoom is not supported while shooting slow motion and time-lapse videos. 4. Maximum battery life was achieved when recording video at 1080p/30 fps, power reserve mode, with electronic image stabilization disabled and under lab conditions. 5. Do not attach the adhesive base to walls or other surfaces with oil, water, dust, gravel, or other coarse particles to prevent the camera from falling due to an insecure connection. 6. When mounting DJI Action 2 to a car roof or window, be aware that excessive speed, strong winds, storms, or particles on the surfaces may affect the strength of the connection. 7. Maximum battery life was achieved when both transmitters were linked with the receiver, backup recording was disabled, and the receiver was connected to a camera.